like the Red Bridge. And basically, this is beautiful because we're in the middle of a canyon that can make us feel like we're in the middle of nowhere. But right at the canyon,
All we heard was the sound of the wind through the trees. Yeah, and all we felt was the chill of the water in the breeze. We danced in the river water, and we danced in the river water, and we danced in the river water.
Everybody say hey.
Daddy, can I have a snack?
What do you think so far? Well, if we're on a break, so in the winter, ice climbing happens here. What do you think, guys? So good.
We're not done
Tori?
yet.
No, we're not.
We're
We're kind of almost halfway.
No, we're
Eating
not.
snacks. We're on the Jacques Cartier River. This is a big wall here. We're at a bend in the river. Stopping point. These are our guides. These people are on our boat with us. Just came through this rapid.